Yes, ate. Hello.
Happy Chinese New Year, Malu. I'm so happy na again I've tried your Fortitude Probiotics. Kasi I was having problems with my, I think hive siya or urticaria something, and my crack heels. Crack heel. Actually, the whole foot is cracked. Like fungal infection or something. Yeah. It gives me so much pain, but when I finished, I consumed one bottle of the 720 ml.
750.
Yeah, 750.
Natanggal
I
na.
felt better and my skin cleared up. Wala nang spots. No more blotches, red blotches.
Ang galing naman.
Turmeric,
Diba?
ginger, garlic, apple juice, and honey. They're really the super super food, I think, yeah.
Na pinagsama-sama sa isang shot glass.
Antioxidants.
Ayan.
Powerhouse of super antioxidants. Thank you.
Yeah,
Michelle,
congratulations,
and
ate.
Thank you so much, Malu.
Congratulations, Equilibrium Probiotics.
Yes, Equilibrium Probiotics.
Sige po, ate. Thank you.
Thank you.